this big monster. Out here on Ladyburg Lake, caught a big one. Yee! Me and Dan out here. Big bass. We're about to weigh him real quick.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Caught a monster. My forearm's cramping up. What do you say? Zoom in on that.
Yeah, seems like more though. Yeah, 9.
Woo! This big monster. Woo! Cheers, Dan. Let's go. That was my personal best. Who's the king of the lake out here now? These are the baits I was using. Let's get it. Woo! Dan, what you got there?
A little one. Little 2-pounder.
Nice.
Hey.
Swim away, little fishy. Nice catch.